how the wave is represented by like this. See, in the first year lesson, oscillation. For example, you take a simple harmonic motion. In this situation, take as a small bob. This is a simple pendulum. This setup. See, at a time t equal to 0, it is in its mean position. It is in mean position. After some time, it goes to a maximum position. At that time equal to, for example, take as t1. Then alternately, its maximum point, then it comes to the mean position. Then at time t equal to 3. Then it goes to the opposite of its displacement is the maximum position. Then at time t equal to 4. Then it is alternately goes to the its mean position. Now we can say it is a complete of one oscillation. One oscillation. When it is goes to its maximum position, then comes to the mean position, then goes to the opposite direction of the mean position, then come to the its mean position. Now it is complete the one oscillation. See, this result we will represent in the trigonometry, the sine 0 and sine 90, sine 180, sine 360. At sine 0, its value is 0. Sine 90, its value is 1. Sine 180 is again 0. Sine 270, its value is -1. Then sine 360, its value is 0. That's why this value of graphs we can see 0, 1, 0, -1, +1. See, 0 is a 0. At 90 is a maximum. 180, 0. 370, -1. Then 360, 0. We will connect with this point. Then he got like this. This is the wave. That's why the wave is represented in the sine or cos theta. Sine or cos theta. This is one of the basic. Then second one is the wave. See, in the two waves, or in the physics in generally, whatever he describes in the two waves, one is space and time. We will discuss in the all of physics is in the described in the space and time. Same thing you apply on this wave. For example, the space is fixed. Then what is the given result is, for example, space fixed means you taken this area. Then what is the observe? How is the oscillation is going? How is oscillation is going? Gives means motion of the waves or the oscillation. How goes to the oscillation? Then space is fixed, it gives the oscillation. oscillation motion. Then if time is fixed, if time is fixed, it gives the if time is fixed, it means a time t0 to t1, it gives the wave shape, it gives the wave shape. This is the C or C in the wave in the space and time coordination. This is general class about the waves. Please, you do not confuse wave y where in the represented cos or sine. You already say in this class. Please observe it and see again and again